Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Odette. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Happy new month. We are in the month of August and I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. And so for this month of August, I'm going to be doing a month long of beauty videos, and I'm going to be featuring one beauty product that I really like. And I'm also going to be introducing to you guys Chance. I just added her to my lash line. We're going to be introducing her today. And so we are going to get started. And the product that I'm going to be featuring today, the beauty product, is this eyebrow pencil from Revlon. This is a Revlon Color Stay Brow Creator. And I think the shade is in... It says powder on here. I'm not quite sure what that means. If powder is the color of this or the shade, or... But I'm going to figure this out, and I'm sure it must be like a dark brown or something like that. But this is the brow pencil that I use to fill in my brows. But like I said, eventually I will definitely get my brows done before the end of this year, because I am tired of doing the brows. Every time I see the Tall Black Chick's video and I see those brows, I just want to peel them off and stick it on my face because her brows are perfect. So this is the brow pencil that I am featuring today. The brows are already done and it did a really good job. I like it, and so we are just going to move on. Some clips are going to be fast forwarded and some clips are going to be a talk through as well. So I'm going to start off with this Revolution Reloaded Marvellous Matte Palette, one of my favorite palettes. And I haven't used these colors for a very long time. So we are going to start with either one of these. I'm not quite sure which one I'm going to use as a base or transition. And I think I'm going to use the darker yellow on the outside. There we go. So we're just going to get started. So I'm going in now with this Dusk Till Dawn palette, and I'm going to be using this, I don't want to blind you guys, there's a beautiful purple color right there, this deep purple. I am going to be putting that on right now. I can't even begin to tell you the name of this eyeshadow. I obviously cannot tell you. So I'm now going in with this, the Nubian Royal palette from Juvias Place. And I need to be very careful with this palette because for some particular reason in shipping, this one got a little bit crushed. So I'm going to be using the same brush with the deeper purple. And I'm just going to deepen this corner right here. I'm going to use a clean brush and just make sure the corners are nicely blended out. So now I'm going in with this PUR Eyeshadow Palette, and I don't know where I got this palette from. So there's a beautiful color in the end and it's called Eternal, deep brown color. So I'm just going to take a small brush, and rather than using black today, I'm just going to use the brown and just fill in this corner a little. I am going in with this sleek concealer, and this is in the shade number 5 Almond Latte. And again guys, I am going to pretend like I know how to do a cut crease. Don't be coming for me guys, promise me you won't, because I don't know how to do it and I'm practicing all the time, so please be nice to me, okay? So going back to the Dusk Till Dawn palette, there's a shade that's called Mojave in here. So I'm just going to put that just right here. Going in with my PUR Eyeliner. So now I'm going to introduce to you guys Chance. This is so beautiful. She's nicely wrapped in a plastic. So when you order, the lashes would be in a plastic. Okay, all the ordering details will be below for you guys. And let me bring her close to you. She's a little bit longer, similar to Joy, but a little bit longer. I'm putting her on today for the very first time for you guys. Here she is. And she's absolutely gorgeous, and of course, as you can see, she's lower in the corner and flares nicely on the outside. This really gives your eyes such a beautiful shape when you put her on. She's absolutely gorgeous. So let me open her up again, and this is Chance. Chance is very pretty, gorgeous. So this is my eyeliner. It's also a lash glue, and I showed you guys how I actually use this pen. I am testing it out just to make sure that I don't have any allergies or any kind of reaction from the pen. So, you know, it's not going to be going to market yet. I just have to make sure that I am happy with it. So first, I am going to use this in the corner of my eyes, because you always find the edges of your lashes always comes loose quicker than the middle. So I'm just going in here pretty heavy on this side, okay? So I know she would stick in the corner. And also I'm going in pretty thick on the inside as well, so that I know when I put her on that she is going to stick nicely. So I'm just going to put her on right now. I am going to take her out from the packaging. Be very gentle with her so she's not going to break. And there we go, so she is out. And every time you do get your lash at home, you always have that little bit of extension to the end. So I always like, you may not be able to see it, so I always like to take my scissors and just cut that off at the end right there. Okay, so I cut that off, and there's another little lash band right there. So we did cut her off, so it's totally fine. So now we are gonna go put her on, and I'm gonna do the other one off camera. I am going to go in with my lash glue. And again, when I put the glue on the band of the lash, I try to avoid the ends, because I know I've already got glue to both sides of my eyes. So let's just put the lash glue on. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, you guys can see what I'm doing there. There we go. And I put a very thin layer of glue on, not very thick, because I don't want my lashes to be too thick and clumpy on my eyes. And there we be. And of course, I'm just going to make sure this is nice and snug. And I'm going to blow on that for a minute. Things that we do just to look a little pretty, eh, guys? So this is my mirror. And hope you guys can see this. I'm just going to leave her in the middle of my eyes, just like so. And I'm going to just pull her down to the side, and she's nicely stuck there. And I'm just going to use the front and stick her down. Then I'm just going to use the tool and just squeeze it all in. And Chance is on my eyes. What do you think? You see how easy that was? And of course you can just wiggle it around just to make sure she's on and snug. She's on. Okay? See how pretty that is? So let me get the other side on, and I'm gonna pop back in just a couple of minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Chance. She's on my eyes for the very first time today. I have never worn her before. She is absolutely beautiful. And I hope you guys can see what she looks like on. Nice and snug in the corners, nice and snug in the center of my eyes. She looks very pretty. Love her. And if you want to order Chance, the ordering details are in the description box for you guys. You will receive two. You're not going to be getting just one, but two of them. £11.99 for two. Or if you live in Canada, including the taxes, is $13.55. Again, you will be receiving two of them. The ordering details will be in the description box for you. So let me finish my face off camera, and I shall pop back in just a minute. So let's work on the face quickly. I'm probably going to finish my face off camera, but I'm going in with my color correcting, and this is from Revolution. And I'm just going to use a brush and blend this out quickly. So the face is color corrected. I'm going to be using my Inglot foundation. So I'm going to finish my face off camera and come back in and give you guys the finished look. Okay, my lovelies, I am back with the finished look of the makeup. I just threw on some hoops, and that's it. I used the foundation here from Inglot. I haven't used this one in a long time. And this has become one of my favorite concealers from Benefit. It looks like a pencil, but this is just the way the packaging looks like. It is very, very, very nice. And it blends nicely under my eyes. I really like that. And I did use the powder here from, I think it's called Hazelnut. That is from Fenty Beauty. Love the lippies. The lippies are cute. I've mixed both of them. One is called New Love Mystery from MAC, and the other one is called Heroin. So I've mixed them both, and I went in with a purple eyeliner to make it look really nice and neat. A little blush on the cheek from Latte London. This is called Blush Crush. This came in a beauty box sometime back, and I really like it. I did not go in with any setting spray at all today because my face is completely mattified. Looks really good. However, the star of the show is Chance by StarlashesbyOdette. This is a new sister I've added to the collection. She is very pretty, very cute. Let me come a little close. Hope she's looking good on the eyes right now. Very, very pretty. I absolutely love that. She is a little bit more flared on the outside and nice and low on the inside. Looks very, very pretty, soft, beautiful purple makeup look for today. And that's it. And again, the featured product in today's video is this eyebrow pencil from Revlon. I'm going to link this in the description box below. And like I said earlier, I'm going to feature one of my favorite beauty products in this month of beauty videos that I'm doing for the month of August. And that's it. The makeup is done, the face is done. I'm ready for the day. I've got the earrings on. I didn't go in with the necklace today, but a beautiful purple off the shoulder top, and I'm all set, ready for the day. And I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to hear your comments in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you want to order Chance, all the details will be in the description box for you guys. Just send me a DM on Instagram, email me, and all the details will be below. Thank you so much for watching, my loves. I shall see you next time. Bye.